Yes, what about your PPT?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Our PPT is already ready, but there is a problem. One of our group member will not able to join today's lab because his mother is not well and he's going to a hospital for the checkup.
Oh,
So,
okay, it's okay, no problem. Without him, or you can also, rest of the team can also present it.
okay, so then uh, will you please give us few minutes, sir? After
Yes.
presentation of other, we will present. Our
Oh,
presentation is ready.
okay. Who are your teammates?
Uh,
Enrollment number,
yeah,
number,
first
number.
me AI 68 and then Big
AI,
Data 1.
AI 68,
Yes, sir. And Big Data 1,
Big Data 1,
AI 5.
AI 5.
Yes.
Okay, who is not present today?
Big Data 3, Anuj Barochia.
Okay, Big Data 3. Okay, so he is absent.
Yes.
And you people are present. So let's say this is group 1. Okay, now no problem. We will wait for 2 minutes and then you can start presentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ayush.
He is Big Data 1, sir, in our team.
Okay, Bipin. Bipin, are you there or not? Today I'm taking attendance with
Yes, sir.
this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, what about your presentation?
Sir, we presented last time, na?
Problem definition.
Yes, sir. We presented that.
Have you sent me the PPT? Actually, I have not.
I think, sir, we have done.
Your who have sorry who had sent me the PPT?
Maybe my friend Yasraj or Rohan.
Yashraj C Jadeja. No. Who has sent me the PPT? Can you tell me? You just let me know, Bipin.
Sir, maybe.
No, when you have sent it, Yashraj. You just tell me so I will look at the email of those date.
Sir, we doesn't fix a time. We don't remember the date. We, we will do it again.
No problem. You just do one thing. You just forward me the mail which you have sent. Okay. Don't send new mail, but send me that mail only.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. So don't create new email, but just forward me that same email only. So I can avoid that you have sent that PPT in past.
Okay, sir.
Who are your teammate, Bipin?
Rohan, me, Yasraj, and Manav.
Number,
Big Data 6, Big Data 10, Big Data 11, and Big Data 2.
Big Data 6, 10, 11, and 2. Okay. Uh, G2, 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 G2. Yes. What was your project definition? Problem definition?
About Corona and social distancing maintain.
Now, if you carefully listen, okay, into that session, then I have given you one feedback that you are supposed to find out one technical solution because social distancing is introduced since March. Okay, since March. So, what is the technical problem that you are going to solve?
So technical problem we don't have fixed yet. We think we should continue with it. We are improving one moment in this.
But social distancing is already introduced in March. So what you are doing, introducing what you are introducing new, that is my concern, that I have raised in last lab as well.
That we can, sir. I'm not sure about that if you like or not, but we are going with some new technical things like softwares. We have to improve for it, something like that.
No, this is not an you can say random guess competition where you will just guess something and then you will tell that we can work on it and we can implement like that. Okay, and let me tell you that this is an important subject. So this is not like that said uh, time pass subject. Okay, so there is a meaning of
Okay, sir.
everything.
We will got a new problem, and then we will put it in PPT, and then we will send you.
Because I in last lab also I have done, and I think yes, it is one credit subject and 50 marks are there. So no problem. The whatever way you people wish to carry on, you can continue. Okay, I will evaluate accordingly. Yes, next Devansh.
Yes, sir. We have also presented both the PPTs
Yes,
in the last session.
yes. Your team detail
AI01 Smith Devani,
A01,
AI02,
A02,
AI06,
A06,
AI58.
A58. Okay, what was your problem definition?
Sir, that coding problem faced by the students.
So, who are your teammate? You, then Smith Devani. Other than,
Tushar Sethia
huh?
and Girish Purohit.
Okay. Now, have you? I think in last session I have asked Tushar. Tushar was presenting something. So
Yes,
I
sir.
have asked. Yes, I have asked Tushar to just formalize some steps.
Yes,
Though
sir.
and prepare one small document.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir,
have you prepared any?
sir, we are just we all four are not at the same place, and we are discussing, and we will be soon able to prepare that documentation.
Mm-hmm. So, what you have done, that is my concern.
So,
Actually,
as we are just deciding to prepare a website or an application according to our knowledge, and then we just want to keep the students and that coding part, the difficult coding part, and the logics behind that in one place.
hmm? So actually, I need some concrete definition, means guide, which I ask you people to prepare. Okay, so you can work on it together, and then you can prepare the guide, and then you can represent it. So,
Yes, sir, we are working on it and will be soon presenting to you.
okay, very soon, but when? Because very soon we are going to complete this subject. Okay, and if it is left, then yes, your definition was coding improvement or management skills. Okay, next is the pen.
Satyapen is also in RT. Yeah, AI5.
Yeah. Okay. Mano. Mano, I think you are in uh, Bipin's group. Okay. Mansi.
Yes, yes sir.
Yes. What about you?
यस सर सर आपने हम लोगों ने लास्ट में जो डिप्रेशन वाला किया था जो प्रॉब्लम, तो
Hmm.
आपने उसको प्रॉब्लम को डिफाइन करने को बोला था, पर डिप्रेशन को मतलब कि अभी ये प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको मतलब सॉल्यूशन तो दिया था पर प्रॉब्लम हमसे डिफाइन नहीं हो रहा था, तो हम लोगों ने आपसे पूछा था तो आपने बोला था कि आप लोग टॉपिक चेंज कर सकते हो, तो हम लोगों
हाँ
ने
हाँ.
टॉपिक चेंज करा है।
ओके ठीक है कोई बात नहीं है. कैन यू प्रेजेंट इट नाउ?
ओके सर.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Shall I start?
Yes, you can start. Before you start presentation, let me tell you one thing that we need some technical solution which is related to this problem.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
give yes. Let me tell you existing solution in Android. Lots of Android apps are there. Okay,
Hmm.
lots of Android app which contain pattern. Let's say if you will press volume button 5 times or something like that, then it will send location to nearby police station and all those things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, those kind apps are also available. Okay, another
Hmm.
type of app that whenever you will face this kind of issue, then if you will press button, then recording audio and video both will be started automatically, and it will be streamed to a particular location. So
Yes,
that is also implemented. Yes. Now you have to discuss other than this.
yes, sir. We are here with the solution. I hope it's different.
Okay.
Okay, so shall I start?
Yes, you can.
According to the National Center for Missing and Exploitation, more than 2,000 children are reported missing each day, and according to the NCRB statistics, a woman is raped every 15 minutes in India. This is a violent problem in our society, and people are joking about it, particularly in stand up comedies. Let me share an incident with you all. A girl was kidnapped by three. The whole planning and plotting was done by three, but she was raped by 12. But how? Knowing that how generated a fear inside me, and it's still there. When she screamed out of pain and help, the rest nine of them came to help her. But seeing the girl helpless, they obviously didn't miss a chance. This is the poor mentality of our country. This is Nikita Kakkar. Keeping that scream in mind, me and my team are here with the solution. Now let's see the statistics presented by Mansi.
Hello, I'm Mansi Peda, and so as Nikita said about rape and kidnapping, as we all know that nowadays rape cases and kidnapping and all are just increases day by day. In 2017, there were more 32,500 rape cases, which is equal to 90 a day. So according NCRP, there is rape in every 15 minutes. In 2018, kidnapping has increased from 2008 to 2020. According to National Center report, 8 lakhs children are abducted in each year, and in this condition, there are many cases which are pending, and some of cases even we don't know about that. Next slide. हाँ, तो there are chance of being murdered roughly in a 1 in 5,280 according to FBI statistics. Next, in Honduras, that there is a chance, there is a country, there is a chance murder 1 in every 15 people. Next. So over to all of these, one girl lady or woman in every 5 minutes in sexually assaulted. Now, for next slide, I invited Nikita Dare to continue.
Hello, good morning to all.
Good
As
morning.
we many anti-rape devices have already been developed. Let's discuss some of them and know how our solution is bit better than others. First of all, there is RAPEX. This device literally works like an X. The device prevents the attacker to enter in, but obviously it is not possible for a woman to wear it all at time. Second, electrical and sensor clothes. This was the world's first anti-rape device developed by SRM Institute of Chennai, India. When the pressure applied by the touch the attacker receives shock and a message alert with GPS location is sent to the police. But again, we cannot wear it all the time. Third, it is anti-rape device. Third one is anger wing buzzing. It is basically an alarm that is attached to your keys or bags. When the alarm is pulled, device can create a sound over 90 decibels. But it might be possible that then it is no one around the crime spot and victim might be grabbed it so that she might not success in pulling that. So it is also not successfully worked. Fourth one, it is an application anti-rape device, watch over app. It's an app allowing the user to set a timer when traveling alone. When you don't have time to call, you can just check your phone and it turns on your phone's alarm video camera and send alert to your emergency. But come without not but this problem is not come with notice. So if she forget to turn on the time, she becomes helpless. Second, next, sorry. Kids and nowadays kids and their kidnapping is also a major concern, but with no solution we cannot provide kids with a smartphone. So we are going to talk about rape solution with a little chip. It will also work in kidnap solution. We uh, uh, we saw many anti-rape devices like this, as I said, but there is some problems also. Keeping this problem in mind, we have thought of the idea of chip, which will now explain Nikita.
Good morning, everyone. Keeping all those in mind, I realized one thing. We will have to face it and we will have to do something for ourselves. Always, we will have to try some better safety options. From our thought process, we came with just an idea to avoid these problems. We can design a chip that can be stuck anywhere on clothes, bracelet, necklace, smartwatches, etc., which is connected to our smartphones. We can use the AI speech recognition that is used by Alexa. Like when we tell Alexa to scream, it recognizes it and screams. We will set some sentences like help, bachao, or any other sentences that a victim normally uses. The chip will be connected to the parent's phone, and as soon as it recognizes, it will generate an alarm in the parent's phone along with the location and voice assistant. That is, soon after the alarm, you will be able to hear what's going on at the crime spot. It will be able to recognize your sentences till a 500-meter distance, and any sentence from the set sentence is spoken within 500 meter, the alarm will work. A child when gets kidnapped obviously won't remember to press a trigger or something like that. Firstly, it will take time for him to understand that he is kidnapped and taken away. So he gets panic and does not do anything. But if he has the chip, even the normal sentences which he says can save his life. Features of the chip: speech recognition. You have to do nothing, absolutely nothing. The normal sentences which you speak, even the Even you have the things come out, means even if you left the phone there, you cannot do anything. The chip is portable. You can put it anywhere, on your clothes, on the bracelet, anywhere. It has the alarm, GPS tracker, voice assistant, and it can be recognized up to 500-meter distance. Now let's talk about AEIOU. Mansi will start.
Okay, so basically, I went to a mobile shop and where I observed the things in activities. First of all, we enter the shop, so we are walking. There are some 2 3 customers who checking products. Some are Nikita. Next slide. Who checking products, and some are sitting on sofa. We are standing, my father and I was talking and buying things. One customer are paying the bills, and shopkeeper are packing their product, and some people waiting outside. In environment, there are a little bit windy, and I went in the afternoon, so hot outside, but cool inside the shop because of air condition. And people are talking, so little bit noisy. And in interaction, me and my father, there are some people sitting on the sofa. They are talking. A man is talking in a phone, and a shopkeeper and a customer. In objects, I have noticed phones, earphones, wires, cables, sofa covers, mobile covers, tables, boxes, computers, clock, printer, pen, bill, like sanitizer, books, etc. There are a mobile shop, so they are related to mobile and their equipment and all. And in user, me, my father, customers, shopkeeper, and 2 3 working people. So now Nikita will continue.
I observed this at my home. So sleeping, eating, studying. My brother was studying. My mom was cooking. Washing machine was washing clothes. People were walking. We were hearing. I was writing, talking to my brother. Maid was cleaning. Kids were playing. Brother was watching TV. Environment outside was cloudy, windy, foggy due to the rain, and rainy. Interactions. Me and my family were interacting. Kids were interacting while playing with each other. Um, uh, Shopkeeper and the customer. Actually, the vendor came here and he was interacting with my mom. So neighbors interacting with each other. Father was interacting with someone on the call. Maid talking to my grandmother, and aunt yelling at the children. Objects, phones, earphones, laptop, food, sofa, washing machine, tables, chairs, computers, utensils, pens here and there, video game, carom board, and cupboard. Users, family, neighbors, kids, maid, and aunt. Nikita, the lady will continue.
I was at my home in evening. I was observing. Um, my father was watching TV. I was talking and listening. I was chatting with my friend. Then walking. Uh, in outside there was a driver was driving his bike. In the sky, birds were climbing. It was raining, and some lightning was, and the kids were playing, and one aunt was shouting on her child. And the environment was it was evening, rainy, cloudy, and peaceful, and it was cool interaction. My father with my grandmother were talking about some medicines. My mother was interacting with my sister about her study. Neighbors were talking with each other, and then after some time, my mother was talking in phone with someone. And objects were mobile, earphone, pen, books, bag, chair, bed, pen, cupboard, mirror, medicines, charger, table, vehicles, and clothes. Users were me, father, mother, sister, my grandmother, kids, neighbors, and birds. So this was our AIOU. And last, I conclude with uh, uh, as we said earlier about the solution of rape cases and as well as solution of kidnapping, by which we can solve both problems. And it's fact we can't change the mindset of every people, so we need to have better safety for ourselves. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what you people will do now? You've given lots of things. Okay. You also shown some existing solutions. So, what you people will do?
तो ज्यादा नॉलेज है नहीं, वरना ट्राई करते चिप बनाने का.
Yes.
But what you will think other than this? That is my question.
Other than this means
Whatever you have shown, those are the existing solutions,
sir, the chip is our new solution. It's not
right?
anywhere. Means you have to do nothing. Just you will say help, help or bachao, anything that a victim normally speaks, it will automatically work.
So you are just going to design that kind of solution.
Yes, sir. I think it's okay because you don't have to press a trigger or anything. Because sometimes means 80% of the rapes in India are done by the family members. So you don't know when they are taking you. Obviously, you will not know. Matlab, they are taking you for something like this. So you will not press any trigger or shake your phone if your means, and if you they take you and if your phone fell down. So you cannot shake it if there is any app. But that chip might be in your clothes, and even if they are out at the 500-meter distance, they can easily catch the sound recognition that a person normally speaks when something like this happens.
Okay, no problem. So if you can implement this thing, then it will be great. So who are your teammate?
Uh, uh, Me, Nikita Daredi, and Mansi.
Number.
Number is
Big,
Big
big data 8 and 9. And
and AI
And
57.
yeah, 57. Okay. So your group is group 4. And okay, good. Who is next? Pathik.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about you?
So we have done in previous class only.
Okay. What was your problem definition? Who are your team members?
ATM card machines that TR notes are coming out of.
Huh? Yes.
An ATM machine, from an ATM machine, the notes are coming with TR
Yes.
damage.
Yes. So, who are your teammates? Can you give me the number?
Yes, sir. Just Big Data 7,
Big Data 7,
AI 4,
AI 2,
4, sir, 4,
4,
AI 7,
AI 7,
AI 71.
AI 71.
Yes,
Big Data 7, AI 4, AI 7, and AI 71, right?
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, group 5.
And we have mail used the PPT also, sir, on
Yes, I
16th
have
July.
received it. I have received it, yes.
Yes.
I think it was defected currency not detection.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Detection. Okay. Next. Riddhi,
Sir, we are left with the presentation.
yes. So you can start now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. Okay, let me first note down your number.
Yes.
Vidhi, yes, Vidhi and Riddhi, you are from AI or Big Data?
Big data.
Big Data, 5, 4 and 5, and
Yes.
AI 69. Okay, start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am Vidhi Parik with my team members Riddhi Shah and Tushar Sinha. Our topic is hunger, guided by Professor Nikunj Wadhar. Now, my friend Riddhi will be explaining about problem definition.
Hello, I am Riddhi Shah and I will explain you the problem statement. So, in India, India ranked 100 out of 19 countries on the Global Hunger Index. About 1 in 4 Indians do not get enough food to support a healthy life. Millions of Indians go to sleep hungry every night. Why it is that despite so many schemes, Indians are still starving. What can we do to free India from the clutches of hunger? So now my friend Tushar will continue.
Now, moving to the existing solution, first of all, we are going to discuss about the pre-existing solution in which Robin Hood Army is doing an outstanding job in fighting against hunger. They are zero fund organization. That is, they don't accept any funds from anyone, not even from the volunteers. They have served till date over 30 million meals and still counting. Now, moving to the next slide.
I think they have set target for 100 million or something kind
Yeah, I
recently.
checked the net, so I got 30 million. Might be they have.
Okay, so their current target is 30 million.
Yes, sir, I've checked a few days ago.
Okay, yes, because one of our faculty member is part of it.
Okay, sir.
She
So
is
I'll
also
change.
activity.
Okay, sir. So they have served over 100 million meals and still counting. Now moving to the next slide, which is recasting the pre-existing solution. That is security issue, scattered data, no recognition, no detailed drill down, no encouragement to volunteers. Don't have their app, so they use a WhatsApp group for sharing everything. So there's a scattered data. Suppose we want to find the photos of some previous data or some other data, then it will be very difficult to find out that data. Now, as the volunteers don't get much recognition, their works don't get paid. That is, they don't get recognized whether they do more work or less. No encouragement to volunteers. That is, the volunteers don't get encouragement, and due to this, more and more volunteers left the group after serving few weeks or months. Now, my friend Riddhi will explain the next slide.
So now we have seen the existing solution and their problems. So where we can implement this in application, then why? So because there are so many advantages of using applications over website. So first is multiplicity of app. So due to multiplicity of app, we can add the versions to improve it time to time. Second is collection and dissemination of data. By collecting the data of user, we can have the statistical data which we can provide to the user by displaying on our app. Third is app to provide for community dashboard.
Yes.
Dashboard in application will help to motivate the donors as well as it will help us to keep the trace of the activities of donors. It will also give some idea to the visitors about the activity. So now my friend will continue. Uh,
Okay, so now keeping in mind the problems that we saw in the website, we have come up with these features in the application. So first is data security. Here all the data will be only accessible by admin to keep it safe and secure. Of course, there will be data abstraction at view level so that the viewers can have glimpse of it. Next is data organization. Previously in WhatsApp, data was scattered and not easily accessible to the user. But here it will be properly organized to access it. And there is also real-time data management so that the ones who update their data can be updated instantaneously. Next is reward program. It is to keep volunteers motivated and also to make them encouraged. So the volunteers will get reward in the form of badges as number of drives per month. Now next is upcoming program. Now if there is any party or function, then it will be updated beforehand in the application so that food can be delivered at appropriate time. And the last is geolocation. It will help us to find the location of restaurants nearby so that volunteers reach to the location on time. Now my friend Riddhi will be concluding the topic.
so from this we can conclude that with the help of this app, more people will get connected uh, with this program, and with the help of this, we can widen the donor as well as the volunteer net, which will lead less citizens going to the bed hungry. Thank you.
So your problem definition is that you people are going to develop an Android app for this.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
our Android app can
Yes.
be developed for this
Yes,
problem.
yes. Because now they are using everything on WhatsApp. The groups are divided according to the areas and they are sending all the information in WhatsApp. So rather than if we create one application, it will be more beneficial to them only.
Okay, no problem.
Because people can join and serve as much as they want, they can help there.
Okay, good, very good. Yes, now we can stop sharing. Yes, Smith Devani, I think you are in which group?
Sir, I'm in group of Devansh.
Devansh, that coding.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then Tushar, I think
Yes, sir.
you are also in that group.
Yes, sir.
Coding.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vidhi, yes, we are done that anti-rep solution. Yes. Then Yash Thakur. So I think you are in first group. That is yes, yeah, yes. What is your project definition? Can you tell me?
It's a currency note, sir.
No, currency. Okay, okay, okay. You're in group 5.
Yes, sir.
BD7,
Yes,
AI4,
sir.
AI7, and AI71.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yashang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what about you?
Sir, with Yes Thakur AI4.
AI4.
Son, I have mailed you that PPT
Yes.
on 16th July.
Okay, no problem. Actually, I am just noting down the group. So, which are the group? So that's the reason that I am asking individual.
Yes, sir. I am with Yes Thakur, Pathik, and Jas.
Okay. Yes. Now we are almost done with this subject. Okay, now I will share a manual where you people will fill up those details that how you are supposed to means I will share a manual with you and then you are supposed to fill up that manual. So if you people are having any doubt, that's how we can do something like these, then you can ask me. Anybody, if anybody is having any doubt, then they can ask me question.
Hello, good morning, everybody. Uh, we are going to start our presentation. So, the first slogan of our presentation is "Saving the Earth starts with you." Uh, we are going to present our presentation on plastic waste management, prepared by Amit Barochia, Aditya Jha, Dipen Goradia, Ayush Vijnani, and in the guidance of Professor Nikunj. This is our problem definition. As we all know, global plastic waste was around 275 million tons every year. The production of global plastic waste. It, it did exceeds the annual primary production of the plastic, which is around 270 million tons. And these are just the waste which are collected on the surface of the earth. And if we go for the collection of plastic waste uh, above the surface of ocean or inside it, it's will be beyond hundreds or thousands tons. So now, how to conquer this situation? How we take help from technologies to conquer this? There are few options. So first, satellite observation of ocean plastics, artificial intelligence to understand natural systems, and big data and data visualization. Now, my friend Dipin will explain about how satellite observation will help us.
Myself depend. So satellite observation, we can use satellite imaging to help in clean up and capture the pieces of plastic trash which are seen in the world's ocean garbage patches. It means if we plant trees in so that plastic pollution can be reduced. So suppose if we plant trees by expecting that plastic wastage is of 100 tons and plastic wastage may be more, then that plantation of plant would not be that much effective. So by the satellite observation, we can know that how much plastic wastage or garbage is there on our earth by its imaging. For this, we can help from some space agency that will use satellites to detect and track this vast quantity of plastic from space to find where it is.
Yes. Yes.
Good morning. My name is Ayush, and big data and data visualization. Like big data is a source through which we can do online analysis or online survey about the countries, cities, states. So, big data is the key to measure and track the Earth's plastic waste. Using machine learning, we can do this. According to the International Telecommunication Union, the e-waste monitor, much of the problem managing e-waste is lack of proper information, because the main problem is that most of the developing countries cannot adapt, such as India, because all states cannot do the online work. It is estimated that only 41 countries properly document and measure their e-waste. This problem can be solved easily by the use of big data and data visualization. Now my friend Adi will continue.
Now coming up to how artificial intelligence are going to help uh, by collecting all the data from big data from previous years, from last 10 years or 20 years or 50 years. We can upload all this data on a computer, and through the AI algorithms, what artificial could tell us, it will predict us about what is happening in the future, in future 10 years, 50 years. If we are not going to solve this, what are be the consequences? And through this, we can able to understand how vast the problem actually is, and with this help we can make solution properly, so that we ultimately we will achieve our goal of managing whole plastic waste which are producing all over the world. And this will also help us to uh, concentrate our capital as well as our manpower on a right direction, because AI will tell us whether we are going right or wrong. What is the efforts what we are doing to tackle this problem is enough or not. So, with the help of artificial intelligence, we can be easily able to predict, and with that prediction, we can able to create new solution, or we can know whether we need to scale up this solution or not. So this will help us. You will tell about some non-technical ways.
So we discussed about the technical ways, and here are some non-technical ways to prevent plastic, like transition of plastic waste into fuel, plastic waste used as building block, plastic waste as furniture. Transition of plastic waste to fuel. The concept of fuel formation from the plastic has useful due to the perks wrapped. The process is not limited to the production of fuel, but it is immensely solving the plastic waste problem. Like we can convert the
Yes.
Now the second solution will be explained by our second member, PP.
Plastic waste used as a building block. So waste plastic bottles can be used as a construction material for building houses. With the help of this, we can build a sustainable building. Collecting plastic bottles to make wall infill will help in improving the surrounding environment, that in turn creates expensive building materials. So if we use waste plastic bottles, then in making a building, then temperature of that building will also be low, which will be cooler, and it plastic is also used in construction of road, like instead of bitumen, which is expensive, and hard for transport.
Plastic waste as a furniture. There are plenty of ways that plastic is being recycled back into our life. Plastic has been turned into everything from string to shoes, but we can use some perfect ways to turn various pieces of plastic into things on which we can sit, store our things, and even plug into our computers. It want to turn plastic waste into furniture. There are many ways through which we can, once we collect the plastic bottles and other kinds of plastic waste, we can convert it into furniture such as table, bench, desk, and these kinds of useful things which we can use in our school, colleges, offices. So in this way, we can convert these plastic waste into some useful materials which will be helpful in plastic waste management. The some of the benefits which we get about these furnitures are they are more durable. Uh, if we maintain it from heat, this kind of furniture can stay a very long time, and they are light to transport from one place to another. So by this way, making the furniture or using them and a building block, we can use the waste plastic efficiently. These are some examples. A cushion, sofa made of a plastic bottle. In the similar way, we can also make different kinds of furnitures with plastics by molding it into different shape and sizes. The other picture shows us how plastic waste bottles and other materials are used for making up house walls of the house. Now these kinds of house are very uh, not much heavy. This will reduce the weight of roof and other things. They are also temperature efficient. The temperature inside the house, which are made from this bottle, less than the temperature outside it. They are also weather. They are very less effect of weather will happen on in these kinds of houses. And even if a house made of plastic will made in a round shape, it's earthquake resistance. It work as an earthquake resistance. So and this is also another way to use plastic, waste plastic. The conclusion were given by DP.
So awareness plays a big role. So as we know that in this era of time, awareness plays a very important role. So plastic can be used less if campaigns are started on very high basis of priority, as many of us don't know that how to utilize the waste plastic because it is for recycle or just we use it somewhere. And plastic bottles usage should be banned to overcome the threat that world is facing at this moment. And there may be some solutions like government bans the plastic bottles productions and government tries to give subsidies to the companies manufacturing non-plastic bottles. So there would be no by this there would be no benefit to the nature. So there must be strict actions which should be taken for this plastic wastage. But slowly, so this directly helps in the lowering of cost of bottles, and initially it might be difficult to maintain the plastic wastage, but slowly and steadily we can overcome from plastic wastage.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what you people are just going to implement, you are just planning for satellite image classification or something else?
Yes, sir. We will like to develop a website or a system where we can use all these kinds of technology, whether it is a satellite imaging or AI and big data, to um, take the proper information of our country and even the world's other countries also, so that can track the plastic waste and reuse it in the different ways which we are shown in our presentation. A website which can do all those things, it can use for tracking. It will uh, gives us the predictions and awareness alert. And another things, for awareness, there should be some tech surveys and awareness campaign can be launched so that everyone, it will reach to every single person, uh, uh, to aware them about we need to use much less the single use plastics so that we can save our planet, and the other ways through which they can recycle this and use it after uh, utilize. They reuse, they don't know how to reuse it, they have no idea what are the solution maybe. So from there they can get the solution and how we can use the water bottle, wastewater bottle again. So these kinds of.
Okay, so what are you done with your AEIOU observation presentation?
Yes, and Anujan mailed you that presentation also.
Okay, who are your teammate? Number?
Fasim AI1.
Okay, just
AI, sorry, AI, Big Data 1.
Big Data 1,
Big
AI.
Data 3.
Okay, Big Data 3, 68, AI 68 and AI 5.
AI 5, yes, sir.
Okay. Plastic, garbage classification using
And management.
satellite images. Okay. I think there is another group that is Big Data 6, 10, 11, and 2. Big Data 6, Big Data 10, Big Data 11, and Big Data 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is your project definition?
Sir, you told us to next time add a new topic.
Okay, no problem. Another group that is AI 01, 02, 06, and 58.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So you people do one thing in next lab. Be ready with some preparation, so we can see that what this. Just try to prepare the coding guide, whatever you have shown in form of example in presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if anybody is having any problem, then they can ask. I think we are almost done with the presentation. Only one group is left. Okay, can we discuss something more about, let's say, design thinking and problem solving? Yes, can we discuss it? Yes, how many of you completed that activity? Let me open the classroom so I can have idea. Ayush, Ayush, Ayush is there or not? Ayush is not there. Then Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have not yet completed that Google Classroom activity.
Yeah, I will check, sir. I will check that. I will done it by today.
Hmm. So complete it. Then next is Anuj. Anuj is not present today. Then Devansh, Devansh, you also not completed that activity.
Yes, sir, I will do it today.
Devansh and Deepen as well. I can see in record. Deepen, then after Deepen, yes, Manav, you also not completed that activity. Nikita the Reddy and Nikita Kakkad, both of you are still pending in that activity. Then Riddhi. Okay, Riddhi is done with it. After Riddhi, Smith. Tushar. Smith, you have not completed that activity. Smith Devani. Then Tushar Sethia, Tushar Sinha, you have also not enrolled into that design thinking and problem solving course.
No, sir, I've enrolled in the course.
I think, but your name is still showing pending.
Design
You have not,
thinking for innovation. No, sir, I've enrolled in that course.
I have created one assignment in Google Classroom where you are supposed to upload that screenshot where your name
Yes,
is
sir, that I
visible.
haven't done it. I will do it by today itself.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. Setia, Tushar Setia. So you are also, I think, pending in that activity.
Yes,
That,
sir. I will do it by today.
yeah, no problem. Uh, yes, 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 Thakur is there. Okay. No, yes, Thakur is done. Ipsira. Okay. So I think 18 students have completed it, but and the remaining students have not completed it. Uh, Similarly, Coursera registration also, let me check who have not yet completed. Aditya Jain is there or not in group? Aditya Jha, okay. Then Ayush, Ayush Bhanushali. Ayush Bhanushali is not there. Arpit and Avinash. Depend, Devansh, depend. Depend. Okay. Then Manav Mansi. Mansi. Nikita, Pratik and Vidhi. Smith. Smith. Vidhi, yes. Okay, I think that activity is also done by all of you. That Python course enrollment. No, if you people are having any other doubt related to, let's say, design thinking and problem solving, or you would like to know something, then you can ask me. Then you can tell me. if anybody is having any idea in their mind, okay, that let's say, so we can do this, we can solve this problem, or we can do this kind of activity, then also we can, then also you can discuss over here. Yes, anyone?
Sir, is there any chances that the college will reopen by this year?
Mm, I cannot give you exact answer because let me tell you that see, current scenario is in all the city of Gujarat. Okay, you might be watching news. So uh, our college means our government is trying to control this thing, but this scenario is out of control. So mostly, let's say by next month it should start. It should. Okay, I cannot give you exact answer, but we have to look at the scenario that when it will start.
So it won't be possible for the people who are staying outside the Gujarat to join the college by next month.
Hmm. In that case, I can again same thing will be there because when you can join when institute is started for all the student and interstate transportation is allowed.
और
So
सर वैक्सीन के बिना तो ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना। जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं मिलती तब तक कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे? रिस्की अबाउट।
for that we can do one thing that till